Let's say you have a great idea to implement a new technology, launch a new product, or even reduce costs. But it requires investment, so you need to convince your leadership. How? By building a business case. But where to start? Enter Qarar, the most user-friendly SaaS tool to build, manage, compare, and track cases. No spreadsheets. First, enter some basic information. Next, build out scenarios by modeling benefits and costs. Templates and assumption packs make this simple. Sensitivity analysis gives next-level credibility with just a few clicks. After adding your risks and recommendations, your case is built. Share your case with your team, review comments, make changes, and submit it for approval. In Qarar, collaboration is seamless. The approver compares your case against others with confidence because everyone used the same preset standards. Nice. Looks like yours made the cut. Lastly, when the project starts, Qarar smartly notifies you if it's trending on or off track so you can ensure success. Qarar, enabling you to make better decisions faster.